This is an exciting day for you. Your IPO pricing right in the high end of the range at $28. What's your take on it?
Take on it is that we've got some great demand. We were 15 times oversubscribed, so we felt confident pricing at the higher end. And it's good to see the stock trading well on its first day. Yeah, we're very pleased with the outcome.
Why is it a good idea to spin off CBS Outdoor from CBS?
I think that CBS has been a great owner of the outdoor media business, but Les Moonves has very much sort of put his strategy in terms of content, and we're just not a content business. So to that extent, we were just slightly non-core really. So as we separate out, I think it will sort of re-energize our business. I think having management just focused on outdoor media from top to bottom will be a great thing. And it'll be great to make our own capital allocation decisions as we go forward.
Now, in the past, you've said, this has been reported widely, that the top 50 advertisers have only 2% of their revenue on outdoor. How do you get them to change that in your favor?
I think certain advertisers really get it in the US and use our medium wonderfully. People like Apple, who spend around 11% of their ad dollars on out of home. And yeah, the fact is, top 50, they only spend around just over 2% of their media. I think what we have to do is take a very sort of rational intra-media argument to them based around the growth in our audience, the affluence of that audience, and just show them that if you take dollars out of other media and put it to us, you can get great coverage, you can get great frequency, real cut through, and a very low sort of cost per thousand, which is an important metric in media.
Now, I know that you personally have a long history of running these outdoor related companies. What makes CBS different from other companies like it?
I think if you look in the US in particular, I mean, we have a very sort of top 25 DMA facing inventory. We have a great transit business. So here in the city, we have the subway and the buses and Metro North and Long Island Railroad and all the billboards outside. What it does is it really does make us a must-buy in some of these key DMAs across the country.
Where do you see growth for CBS Outdoor? Where do you see the company sort of moving toward?
I guess there's two things really. One, we honestly believe that the outdoor pie, which is about 4.7% of media in the US, we see growth there. If you compare that to non-US, it's around 8.2. Now, I don't think we're going to get there immediately, but I think it's indicative of the fact that the pie can grow. Then from our own personal point of view, we'll be deploying more digital boards, and they're great for revenue, but also we'll be looking at a little bit of consolidation also, where it's a good strategic fit for us as we move forward.